आज के ज़माने में even things get so viral ना so quickly. Like for example, this movie Antrum करके, ever heard about it? This movie is said to have killed people. ठीक है, अगर सिनेमा हॉल गए, सिनेमा हॉल में लोग मर रहे हैं, तो इसने कभी रिलीज नहीं किया गया। जब री रिलीज हुआ तो तब भी लोग मरने लग गए, उनके एक्टर्स काफी मरने लग गए, उनके साथ प्रॉब्लम होने लग गई। एंड जब भी वो इंडिया का नहीं, जर्मनी का कोई मूवी था ना, इंडिया में सब क्रिएटर गॉट द हवा कि ऐसा है, तो एक ने बनाया, उसको कॉपी करके दूसरे तीसरे चौथे 100 रील्स बन गए, नाउ इट गॉट वायरल। इट केम टू अस कि ये क्या है, हमने रिसर्च किया। सो देर आर, एंड लोग ना कभी कभी गूगल भी नहीं करते हैं, हमने गूगल किया है सिर्फ, and the creators, the directors have said it in a press conference कि it was a marketing plan to sell the movie, that the movie is cursed. It's a mockumentary because it was sold like a documentary, इसलिए लोग मर रहे हैं, किसी को देखना नहीं चाहिए। The creators have said it's a mockumentary. The killing people was a marketing plan. The actors are alive. They were paid to stay away from the limelight. But लोग नहीं जानते ना, लोगों ने बिलीव कर लिया तो भाई एंट्रम है। अब इशू ये है, because you are so confirmation biased वहाँ पे, you will watch that movie, you'll feel कि यार मेरा ना तबीयत अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है मेरे को, because psychologically you are ready to believe that this movie is going to affect you because it affected thousands of people out there. That's how these things can also affect us.
But with this whole SLS camera and everything now, where you actually can see stick figures and everything, then why is the science community kind of refuting?
No, so I'll say there is a certain community, not only in India but outside. There's a research center called Ryan Research Center. It's based in UK, I believe. A lot of these science centers, they are actively researching on the other side. Some of them, for example, we have been called to a lot of these universities to give lectures. For example, NMIMS here in Bombay, we go on to talk about psychological part and the spirit part of it. So they are students who are trying to bridge the gap between the two, talk about the larger aspect. There's a lot more in this paranormal world than just spirit and ghost.
Correct.
बहुत थ्योरीज हैं वहाँ पे, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आते हैं, बाकी अपना फिजिक्स आता है, क्वांटम फिजिक्स आता है, देयर थ्योरीज ऑफ क्वांटम एंटेंगलमेंट आता है, बहुत किस्म की चीजें आती हैं। देन इट बिकम्स व्हाट इट बिकम्स, एंड देयर इज अ कम्युनिटी दैट इज डूइंग इट। इंडिया में अनफॉर्चुनेटली देयर इज नो कम्युनिटी व्हिच इज एक्टिवली टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, बट लाइक आई सेड, आई नो पीपल who are working in NITs, IITs, and big engineering colleges and hospitals and all. They're very open to the possibility. They may not believe in those viral reels, or they may not believe in certain experiences that we have, but they say, you know what, Sarva, we believe that there is a possibility. Why? And we love these people. Why? Because imagine it's the 1800s. कोई सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि आज के ज़माने में we would have mobile phones, right? But when Graham Bell started the telephone, imagine करो कि अगर उसने भी कभी नहीं सोचा होता या फिर ओपन नहीं हुआ होता to the possibility of having something that can help two people connect staying kilometers away, तो कभी फोन बना ही नहीं होता। Same goes for a very bad example, not bad example, good example as well. Elon Musk, for example. Right now we have rockets that are coming back to the base. पहले waste होता था वो. But some guy thought कि you know शायद possible हो सकता है यार, कोशिश करते हैं working on it. नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा. That's how inventions happen.
Correct.
It's because we are open to the possibility that human mind is very limited. For example, हमारा space में ऐसा मतलब I think 4% or 10% is what we know. The other is dark space.
Correct.
We have no idea what
Less
lies.
than that.
Less than that.
Less than that.
We have no idea what lies beneath it. That doesn't mean कि वहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है. Maybe there's a different earth there. That's a possibility. But there are people who are open. They're working on it. Sometime in the future, we might have some revelation. Same goes for a lot of these. For example, अभी it might be debunked, but अभी recently आया कि Mars में there were the square-shaped things that were found on Mars. Now they look like man-made. They could be found by some natural thing as well. But people are open कि अच्छा शायद life हो सकती है. Because अगर नहीं होगी तो हम invention बंद कर देंगे. और अगर invention बंद कर देंगे तो humans will never evolve and will cease to exist.
Do you think maybe there is a actual proof of things? Maybe you and me might not know. People who are far more advanced and who have far more resources to do kind of thing, who are government funded also. probably they have found a lot of things,
Yeah.
and because they feel that if this comes out, the control over the world that we have
Yeah.
in
They'll
the
lose.
physical world,
Yeah.
they will lose importance because there will be something which is beyond the living.
Yeah.
So the living will not be controlled by the few,
Yeah.
powerful people in the world
Yeah,
that
yeah.
are trying to this thing. So maybe they're suppressing it.
Possible है क्योंकि see अभी for example
क्योंकि like how you said, SLS camera
Yeah.
is made.
yeah
Correct? Now this was not made by you.
yeah correct.
You were bought it, so somebody else made it.
Yeah.
And now if that is saying that, hey, listen, this is what will form.
yeah
You are standing here and there's nothing next to you, this will
Yeah.
not form. You're standing here, it will form a figure according to you. Now, if there is nothing there and it's forming a figure,
yeah
we are finding something. Now,
Exactly.
this is actually scientific proof,
yeah
but it's not getting picked up and blown
yeah
so that it becomes a very widely known thing.
yeah
Probably because they don't want such information to be believed
yeah
in the common spectrum of
One
things.
possibility. What I also believe is that maybe there are major concerns than just believing in spirits and ghosts. Of course, they play a very major role in our life, especially in a country like India where people get exploited. But अगर हम मेजॉरिटी देखने जाए, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अपना क्या होता है कि अभी जैसे एलियंस का फॉर एग्जांपल अभी रिसेंटली सेनेट में यूएस कांग्रेस में जब there are so many whistleblowers who came in and they started talking about how the US Air Force has proofs of these unidentified flying objects, or UAPs is what they're calling them right now, unidentified aerial phenomena. Everyone was shocked. They're like, अच्छा मतलब ये information था, but it's being kept hidden for some reason, whatever reason it could be. But I think there are people very with advanced technology, like you very rightly said. They could be researching. They might be having proof as well. Will it come out? I think ultimately the truth comes out. कभी ना कभी. आज नहीं तो 10 साल बाद तो आ ही जाएगा. But I think we as human being, what I always say is that don't shut yourself off to these possibilities. फिर आप जिंदगी में कभी कुछ एक्सपीरियंस नहीं कर पाओगे.
Correct.
For example, I like skydiving. I've never done it, but I'm open to the possibility कि अगर मैं कूदूंगा तो मेरा पैराशूट खुलेगा और मैं नीचे पहुंच जाऊंगा. But I'm like कि यार अगर पैराशूट नहीं खुला तो मैं कभी एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं कर पाऊंगा. I think sometimes it's okay to take the risk where you know कि अच्छा it will give me an experience. Ultimately, that's what makes us human. अब अगर जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आज आने से पहले आई रेड अ कमेंट ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल कि हाँ तुम लोग फूंक के सब बोलते रहो और हम लोग सुनते रहेंगे. आई एम लाइक आई एम नॉट फोर्सिंग यू. दिस इज माय जॉब. आई डॉक्यूमेंटेड समथिंग. आई फाउंड अ प्लेटफॉर्म. मैंने डाल दिया. मैं ये आपको गला दबा के नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि भूत है करके. इनफैक्ट इफ यू ब्रिंग मी अ केस आई विल फाइंड 10 different ways to debunk it. I'll make you a non-believer than a believer. That's my work, because already so much stigma out there, so much superstition out there. I don't want another person to add on to their own stories.
Got it.
So ultimately, just be open. You don't believe, it's okay, yaar. You don't have to be. I don't believe in people with 3 legs, let's say. But I'm open to the possibility. शायद कोई दिख जाएगा, कोई deformity होगा. है deformity. लोगों के निकलते हैं तीसरे पेट because of some extra cells that multiply during when they are born. There are cows जिनके सर पे पैर निकला हुआ है. Those are all deformities. Doesn't mean कि अब अगर मैं बोलता कि यार ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. Imagine करो वो experience अगर मेरे सामने आया, how much it will shock me. That will scare me. So इसलिए हम बोलते हैं जब पैरानॉर्मल का होता है, if you are open, अगर आपके सामने चीजें हो रही है लोग हाँ ठीक है पैरानॉर्मल तो है. जब हमारे सामने एक्टिविटीज होती हैं, that's what makes us different as investigators. Is like you'll never see us shouting in our videos. और रिएक्टिंग के क्या हुआ नहीं. इफ यू आर स्टैंडिंग हियर, वहां पे कुछ गिरा, वी नो स्पिरिट है. हम तो 3 बंदे तो इधर ही खड़े हैं, हम कोई क्रू मेंबर है ही नहीं हमारे पास. सो व्हाट टू रिएक्ट टू इट? वी नो, वी जस्ट एक्नॉलेज, हाँ आपको पता है, थैंक यू फॉर द रिस्पॉन्स, नाउ कम हियर, रिप्लाई हियर. सो व्हेन यू हैव अवेयरनेस, यू हैव द पॉसिबिलिटी, और ओपन टू द पॉसिबिलिटी, आपका डर कम हो जाता है. यू द शॉक फैक्टर गोज डाउन एंड यू गेट लेस एक्सप्लॉइटेड. Because डर कम होगा. See, knowledge always cancels out fear. Always. The more aware you are, less fear you have. जितना कम fear होगा, आप उतना ऐसे कम गंदे लोगों के पास जाओगे जो बोलेंगे 5 लाख रुपए तो मैं आपका घर स्पिरिट फ्री कर दूंगा, जबकि आपका घर is an EMF hotspot. You know about EMF hotspot? There are EMF hotspots on Earth जहाँ पे naturally EMF ज्यादा होता है. हम उसको कैसे कमाते हैं? अर्थिंग करके. बट कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन में अर्थिंग प्रॉपर नहीं होता है. एज ए रिजल्ट घर की ईएमएफ बहुत हाई होती है. जब ईएमएफ हाई होती है, एक फेनोमेना होता है जिसको बोलते हैं ईएमएफ पोल्यूशन, जिधर एवरीवन इन द फैमिली hallucinates and sees things which are actually not there. Spirits, आवाजें, बच्चा रोएगा, बूढ़े रोएंगे, सबको सब कुछ फील हो रहा होगा. बट अगर आपको पता नहीं है about this,
You'll feel it's haunted.
you'll haunted. And someone will charge you 5 lakh rupees and tell कि मैं spirit free कर दूंगा. आपने दे दिया, आप घर आए, for some time आपका जो mind है बोलेगा कि हाँ उसने किया है तो हो जाएगा. फिर कुछ दिन जाएगा, फिर से चीजें चालू हो जाएंगी. Because EMF तो कहा नहीं है, it needs earthing, it needs a 20 rupees का solution. But you're spending 5 lakhs on it. So
Yeah.
you have to be open.
Open.
That's important. आप believe करो नहीं करो, that's your individuality. I can't force anyone, that's not my job. My job is just tell कि एक ऐसा possibility है, आप बस open रहो. That's it.